Good day to you. I welcome you to the 5th lecture. As you already know, selection and decisions are used for decision making in programming. In today's lecture, we will be focusing on repetition in Java. I expect that at the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand repetition and loops, including the while, do while, and for statements, and also differentiate the while, do while, and for statements from one another. As discussed in lecture 4, conditional statements allow programs to make choices and decisions. Yet, even with such powerful tools, we cannot write an application that calculates the sum of an arbitrary list of integers. Hence, the repetition option. The syntax of the while statement is while open bracket condition close bracket followed by an open curly brace. Statement 1 ending with a semicolon. Statement 2 ending with a semicolon followed by an ellipsis. Statement N ending with a semicolon then followed by a closed curly brace. In general, the while statement executes as follows. 1. Condition, a Boolean expression, is evaluated. 2. If condition evaluates to true, then statement 1, statement 2, ellipsis, statement N, execute else, program control returns to the top of the loop. Two common bugs that frequently find their way into programs that contain while loops are the infinite loop and the off by one error. The second repetition option is the do while statement. If the condition of a while loop is initially false, the body of a while loop never executes. In contrast, a do while loop always executes the body of the loop at least once before checking the terminating condition. The syntax of the do while statement is do with an open curly brace. Statement 1 ending with a semicolon. Statement 2 ending with a semicolon followed by an ellipsis also ending with a semicolon. Statement N ending with a semicolon followed by a curly brace which is closed. Then we have while open bracket condition close bracket condition ending with a semicolon. As always, condition is a Boolean expression, and if the block consists of a single executable statement, the curly braces may be omitted. The for statement, which is the third alternative for repetition, is used when you can count the number of times that a loop executes. The syntax of the for statement is for open bracket initialization, semicolon, loop condition, semicolon, update statement, open bracket, S with double closed brackets. Then we have an open curly brace. Then statement 1 ending with a semicolon. Statement 2 ending with a semicolon followed by an ellipsis. Statement N ending with a semicolon then followed by a curly brace which is closed. All these statements are equally powerful, but each is best suited for specific kinds of applications. Do refer to your course materials for examples of these statements. I will see you at the next lecture.